Ready? We're good?
We're live.
Right on. Hey, this is Davin with Hagerty and our Red Line Rebuilds. Today, we're at SEMA, walking around, and I couldn't help but stop at this beautiful Boo 1950 5-window. It's slightly better condition than the one we're working on right now, as you know, but wow, this is just really cool. It's supercharged LS motor, phenomenal. But I guess my point right now is SEMA has everything you can possibly imagine. So what we're going to do is a real quick little bit of a walkthrough, and then what we want you to do is actually go in, comment, and say, hey, I want to see this, because I'm going to be here all week, and I'd love to show you as much as I can and much as you want to see. So let's take a little walk here and see what we have. We have everything. We got oil companies, you know, every little part, big part you can imagine. XRP has all their fittings and different dry sumps and all that type of stuff that they're doing and have available. And of course, a nice little lounge, which at the end of the day or even halfway through the day, someplace to sit down is hard to find. So it's pretty cool to be able to have that. Nitrous Express, performance up the wazoo, right? Suspension, brakes, I mean, you name it, turbos. There's, you know, every American car you can think of course, all the, you know, foreign cars and that type of stuff. No matter what you're into, SEMA has it here for you. I mean, here's near and dear to me from a drag racing standpoint. I mean, look at the size of this turbo. Holy smokes! Wow. Now the fabrication on this car is just phenomenal. Yowza. Oh. I mean, this is that's crazy. Wow. I'd like to take that puppy for a ride right there, I'm telling you. Dang. Yeah, this happens to be the Vibrant, they're all exhaust and that sort of things. Turbo stuff, obviously, piping. Eagles here with their rods and crankshafts. All good stuff, pistons. Let's see if we can find some more cars here around the corner here. This looks like a drift car to me. Nice, yeah. Ooh, another truck. Yeah, look at that. I mean, this isn't 100% what I'm into, but you know what? I'd still take it for a spin.
I like the Hurricane.
It'd be a lot of fun. Wow, very nice, very nice. All right, so what'd they do here with this? Got a big splitter on the front. Oh, nice, Pikes Peak kill cam. Imagine this is probably in their unlimited, I would guess, unlimited class, wouldn't you think? Oh, I like the some real patina and some added, but not bad. This is about the same year truck. Maybe that's an idea for ours, hey? That'd be, put one of these big carbon fiber wings on it and see what we can get away with. Okay. 2+2. Big Pontiac. Wow, look at the interior. Yowza. Now you check this out. Front to rear console in it. Just gorgeous.
And my favorite year. It's killing me.
Yes, I agree. I agree. So this happens to be in the bare brake display. Obviously they're running bare brakes. Got like some heavy, the heavy duty or super duty, super duty wheels on it. Basically some aftermarket, but that's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. So they've completely reworked all the engine compartment. It is smoothed off like crazy. You can certainly see all the Big 4-cam engine in it. Nice. Nice Pontiac. Beautiful color. Nice combination between the blue and the red, I'd have to say. So yeah. Nice. Aeromotive. Goalie. Wow. Well, hey. Man, you can see there's everything and anything here. I know this was, we just walked through like a snippet of what's here. Again, what I want you to do is go ahead, send us a comment, tell us what you'd like to see, and we will take you there, walk you through it, explain what we need to explain, and go from there. So, reasonable? All right. Hey, we'll catch you later.